Caldwell County, Hayes County, Guadalupe County, southeastern Blanco County, southeastern Kendall County, north central Bexar County, Comal County, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Henley to near Spring Branch to near Birdheim, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Braunfels, San Marcos, Church, Kyle, Seguin, Cibolo, Judah, Lockhart, Selma, Lewin, Dripping Springs, Wimberley, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Fair Oaks Ranch, Bulverde, Garden Ridge, McQueenie, Wood Creek, and Martindale. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor.